All right, getting ready to close on this condo in Lynn. Quartz countertops. Nice area. This place actually has a finished basement. Everything's done pretty well. It was a client, they bought a house from us, then they came back. I kind of like this stair color. I might actually do this in my house. Then they came back to us after living here because they're moving, and now we're selling the property again. This is a updated property when they bought it. So let's take a look. Oh, I like that. Wow. That tub surround, that's my life. I like this. White tile looks nice. All the rooms are really good size. When they renovated this property, they did an addition on to the attic. So creating another room. Windows are new. 2 bedrooms on the second floor. They have a third floor master, and then they also have a finished basement. So just remember, when you put in work, this is the addition. This is the addition. Look at this. I like this flooring. Oh yeah. Okay, so when you do an addition, basically you have a lot of options and opportunities to add on to the living space. But just remember, when you upgrade and do updates to your property, what you realize is those updates actually add value so you can enjoy having a nice tiled shower, and then you can get the benefit of selling that property for top dollar in almost any market, because let's face it, everybody loves a newly updated property and they are willing to pay good money for that.